Hey, hey, good looking, what you been cooking? How about cooking something up with me? I'm free and ready, so we can go steady. How's about keeping steady company? I'm gonna throw my date book over the fence. Buy me one for 5 or 10 cents. Keep it till it's a cover page, 'cause I'm writing your name down on every page. Hey, sweet baby, don't you think maybe we could find us a brand new recipe? Howdy, howdy, howdy. In 1951, Hank Williams hit Hey, Good Lookin', and it was it's in the Grammy Hall of Fame. I read he wrote it in 20 minutes for a little Jimmy Dickens, and decided he liked it. He liked it so much he recorded it himself, and the rest is history. So here's a tune that's kind of country, has enough up tempo to make it. It works for bluegrass banjo, right? So we're in the key of C here. The chords are C, D, G, and then the B part there's an F, three Fs. But the D, we don't form the full D in this arrangement. We do what I call the 2-4, 2nd fret, 3rd string, and 4th fret, 4th string. And in the one part we have to also, on that D, fret the 3rd fret on the 2nd string, 2nd string, 3rd fret. What we're doing with the C here a lot is 2nd fret, 3rd string. It's the melody. Got it? Hey, good looking, what you got cooking? Here comes that D, 2/4 D. Tag like. Except, first time through, we go to what they call the first ending. It's marked with a 1 on the tab. You'll see the tab later. It's kind of a there's a first and second ending to the verse, both parts of the verses. So this is the first ending. So you do the tag. Sorry. And then you go to a G, the 3rd string open. The chord goes to G. And you start again. Then you go to a second ending. You skip that 1 ending, and you go to the second ending. It's marked with a 2. Then C7. All you do is add you got your C chord, add the pinky, 3rd fret, 3rd string. Go to an F. Back to C. Set this C. Here again, we're on the 2nd fret, 3rd string, and we pull off open. This is like the Cripple Creek pull-up, except that's in G. This is against the C chord. Back to F. Again. Here's that D with, we start on the second fret, second string. I use my middle finger, slide up the third fret, and you form the rest of that D, partial D. It's the hardest part of the whole song. Back to the head. Head means at the very beginning to top. All right, down here, you'll see it on the tab, this big line that I've written here. When we get to the ending of the second part, B part, we go back to the head, we play through, and we skip that first ending, right to the one, we go right to the asterisk. Just hit that note as a final note. Okay, I'm going to show this tab at the end of this video, and you'll, again, please scan it, print it off if you can, and then you can follow each note as I play them on the what I recorded right at the beginning of this video, and follow each note, and you'll see what I'm talking about with those first and second endings. Again, first ending here. Okay, no, sorry, first ending here. I can't see this backwards. There's a second ending. First ending, second ending. Get to the bottom, and you start here again, right through, skip the first ending, end on the asterisk note, skip that measure, right to this note. You'll hear it as you follow the tab with my playing. You'll catch it, no problem. It's just a way of writing music so that you don't have to write the whole thing over just completely, right? You got repeats going on, and that way I've got it on one paper instead of like two, and just easier to write. Okay, Hank Williams. Hey, wow. Hey, good looking. Have fun. Oh.